Welcome to today's video on databases. In this video, I will talk briefly about databases, its uses, types, concepts and much more. Please watch the video till the end to know more. So, what exactly is a database? A database is an organized collection of data that is stored and managed in a structured manner. It acts as a central repository for storing, retrieving, and manipulating information. Databases are widely used in various applications, such as websites, mobile apps, and business systems, to handle large volumes of data and ensure data integrity. There are primarily two types of databases: relational databases and non-relational databases. Let's take a closer look at each type. Relational databases are the most common type. They organize data into tables with rows and columns. This structure allows for establishing relationships between tables, making it easier to manage and retrieve related information. Here you can see some important characteristics of relational databases. Also, few examples of relational database are MySQL, SQL Server, Oracle. On the other hand, non-relational databases, also known as NoSQL databases, are designed to handle unstructured or semi-structured data. They offer flexible schemas and are particularly useful for handling big data, real-time data, and unstructured data like social media feeds. Here you can see some important characteristics of non-relational databases. Also, few examples of non-relational database are MongoDB, Apache HBase, Redis. Now, let's explore some key concepts in databases that you should be familiar with. The first concept is tables. Data in a relational database is organized into tables, which consist of rows and columns. Each column represents a specific field, while each row contains a record or an instance of data related to a specific entity. Within a table, we have fields, which are individual data elements. For example, in a table of employees, the fields could include the employee's name, ID, email, and department. Records, also known as rows, represent a complete set of related information. In our employee example, each row would contain the data for a specific employee, including all the corresponding fields. Another important concept is the primary key. A primary key is a unique identifier for each record in a table. It ensures that each record can be uniquely identified and accessed. Lastly, relationships can be established between tables. This allows us to connect and retrieve data from multiple tables using common fields, such as primary keys. Relationships help maintain data integrity and enable efficient data retrieval. Now that we understand the basic concepts, let's talk about how we interact with databases to query and manipulate data. A commonly used language for working with relational databases is structured query language, or SQL. SQL allows us to perform various operations on the database, such as retrieving data, inserting new data, updating existing data, and deleting data. For example, we can use the select statement in SQL to retrieve specific data from a table based on certain criteria. The insert statement allows us to add new data into a table, while the update statement lets us modify existing data. And the delete statement allows us to remove data from a table. And there you have it. We've covered the basics of databases in this tutorial. I encourage you to continue exploring databases and their applications, as they play a crucial role in managing and organizing data in various domains. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Please subscribe my channel, like the video and press the bell icon to get notification on new videos. Also, do visit my website for more information. Link to my website is in the description. Stay curious and keep learning.